Hi everybody, I'm Lino from Upstairs on the Square, and today we're going to make Irish coffee, which is said to have been invented at the airport in Dublin. I think it's Shannon Airport in Dublin in the 40s to help Americans who had jet lag get over it. Two of the most famous brands of Irish whiskey in America are Jameson and Bushmills. One is mostly known for being from Northern Ireland. So sometimes people will come, and order one. If a bar doesn't have it, they'll be upset that you only have the Southern Ireland, not the Northern Ireland one. Anyway, we have both here Upstairs on the Square, no matter what your preference is. We're gonna start then with a little bit of Irish whiskey. That's gonna be about 2 ounces right there. What you want to do next is heat up your Irish whiskey, but you don't want it to go above 60 degrees Celsius because then your alcohol starts to evaporate. Then you're going to add about 4 ounces coffee on top. And opposite to what most people think, you don't use Irish cream in an Irish coffee. It's just coffee and Irish whiskey, maybe some sugar if people want. But what I will do, since we make the whipped cream to order here at Upstairs on the Square, we put a little bit of, Bailey's in the whipped cream. So that the whipped cream is a little sweet, but the cocktail itself is not. So I'm putting just over 1 ounce heavy cream over here in a metal container that's very cold. This was on ice. And that helps the whipped cream be made very fast as well. And just about a half an ounce of Bailey's, I'm going to put in the same container. And we're gonna whip that into whipped cream. One of the main reasons to make whipped cream to order as opposed to using it out of a can on a beverage is that when you have a solid and a liquid together, it's kind of hard to get the two at the same time. What you end up with a lot of times is your whipped cream sits at the bottom of your glass and you have to use a spoon to scoop it up. If you have a whipped cream that's slightly soft, it's not at the point of forming peaks yet, then you can sip the cream and the coffee at the same time. And that's the main reason to have them both done, to order. This is pretty much the consistency you're going for. Very softly whipped cream. So it's still a liquid and you can still drink it. It still pours like a liquid. Yeah. And there we go. And that's an Irish coffee. Cheers.